Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today in this tutorial I will like to show you how to take and backup of your database in SQL Server. So let us begin with our tutorial. So first click on your SQL Server, enter your server name, login and your password. Then click on your database. Here you can see a plus sign. So there are many database available here. Now we will take a database with the name tension. Just click on this plus sign. You can see a table of viewer is created, and there is also a store procedure, that is pro, which is also there in this database. Let's check what kind of data are stored. It, it has in 4 parameters and a value inserted with one Viraj Mumbai mail, and 4 column with VID, VName, VLocation. So just close it. Now first, while taking your database, first we will shrink our database. So right click, here you can see task, shrink, click on the database. After that just click on OK. So your database size will be shrink. After that right click, go to the task. Here you can see backup. Just click on it. After clicking that, here you can see the folder which is in your C inside your program file. Your URL link of your folder where you are, that file will be stored with an extension of .bak. So BAK means your backup file, which will be stored inside your Microsoft SQL Server inside the folder of backup. So just click on OK. So your backup of your database is completely stored in your folder backup. Just click on OK. Now let us see whether it is created or not. Just go to your C, program file, your SQL Server, your server name, MS SQL. Here you can see a folder name of backup. Just click on it. See the database which you have shrink, and then view which you have stored in your backup folder is created here with an extension of .bak. So in this way you can take a backup of whatever database you have created, which it will show all the thing, your table, your procedure, whatever your functions and all, what kind of the query or what are the tables and store procedure you have created will be shrink first, and then it will be stored in this your backup folder. You can store it in any other folder, no problem, you can store it, but these are the procedure for taking a backup of your database. While working in a corporate world, you should always have an habit of keeping a backup of your database. So hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share it, and keep supporting me. Bye.